Hello everyone, welcome back to the HSC Coach. In today's video, we are going to understand the complete history of National Safety Day, National Safety Week, and now National Safety Month 2026. This year is not just another annual observance. 2026 marks the 55 National Safety Day and also the Diamond Jubilee year, celebrating 60 years of the National Safety Council of India. So let us go back to where it all started. In the early 1960s, India was witnessing rapid industrial growth. With expansions in manufacturing, constructions, and heavy industries, workplace accidents were increasing. There was a clear need for a structured national body to promote accident prevention. In 1962, the Ministry of Labor recommended the creation of national safety organizations. This proposal was later accepted at the 24th Permanent Labour Conference held in New Delhi on 14 February 1966. Later that the same year, the National Safety Council of India was formally established. The objective was very clear: promote safety awareness, prevent industrial accidents, improve occupational health standards, encourage safe working practices across the country. Now comes an important milestone. On 4th March 1972, India observed the first National Safety Day. The date was chosen because it marks the Foundation's Day of the National Safety Council of India. Initially, it was a one-day awareness campaign. The focus was simple: educate workers and employees about the importance of safety and reduce workplace accidents. But as industries began to participate more actively, the campaign expanded. National Safety Day evolved into National Safety Week, observed every year from 4 March to 10 March. This allows organizations to conduct training programs, safety competitions, mock drills, inspections, and recognitions ceremonies. Over the decades, the movement gained nationwide participations from public sector units, private companies, construction projects, oil and gas industries, educational institute, and government departments. Safety was no longer just a compliance requirement, it was becoming a part of organizational culture. Now, let us talk about 2026. The 55 National Safety Day has officially been extended to National Safety Month, beginning 4th March 2026. This is a major shift. It shows that building a strong safety culture requires sustained engagement, not just one week campaign. And what makes 2026 even more special is the Diamond Jubilee celebrations. 60 years of service by the National Safety Council of India. Think about that. 6 decades of promoting accident preventions, conducting awareness campaigns, guiding industries, and supporting safer workplaces. From basic industrial safety awareness in 1970s to structure safety management system in the 1990s to behavior safety and digital monitoring in recent years, the campaign has continuously evolved. Today, safety leadership, worker engagement, and empowerment are central themes. The journey from National Safety Day to National Safety Week and now National Safety Month reflects the maturity of India's occupational safety movement. It shows progress, it shows commitment, and it shows that safety is no longer optional. It is a responsibility shared by management and workers alike. As safety professionals, this campaign is not just about celebrations, it is about leadership. It is about driving cultural change. It is about ensuring that every worker returns home safely. The history of National Safety Day reminds us that safety improvement is a continuous journey. Every year builds upon the previous one, and 2026 stands a historic milestone in that journey. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the HSC Coach for more leadership focused safety content. Stay safe, stay committed, and keep building a stronger safety culture.